We have considered the conversion of hydroelectric power into mechanical power using stored water in dam or reservoir. This is also explained that electric power plants needs power that is variable at various points in time. The formula that we see on slide explains that rate at which water head drops is extremely gradual for even small power plants. So flow rate required also rises slowly for constant power demand. The flow rate that has to be increased is done by increasing the opening of dam wall surface. Using this technique also we have to select water turbine that work more efficiently in certain situations such as high head and low flow rate or low head and high flow rate. Efficiency of turbine is optimum for some situations. So turbine selection is also an important aspect of water turbines. Water enters any turbine through closed pipe and leaves also through closed pipe. Water pressure inside the turbine, in kinetic energy of water inside the turbine and direction of water flow has an important effect on performance of turbine. Sometimes potential energy of water is converted into kinetic energy that creates impulsive effect on blades of turbine. In other cases, potential energy is directly responsible to turn blades and provides torques, so the turbines are known as reaction turbines. In these situations, angle of blade and direction of water stream are important. If we consider first turbine on slide, that is Platon turbine, that has bucket type shape of blade, then it receives water in tangential direction. After giving torque to shaft, water is released in vertical downward direction. This turbine is considered as an impulse turbine since kinetic energy of water is converted into mechanical torque. Platon turbine work in the range of 5 to 200 meters of head and at a flow rate in the range of 4 to 15 cubic meters per second. Platon turbine has mechanism of having nozzles to force water on blade surface. In case of Francis turbine, water enters tangentially and leaves the turbines axially. These are suitable for medium head and high flow rate of water. Before water enters up to turbine blades, water passes through water guides to control the flow rate of water. Accordingly, Francis turbines are more suitable for energy efficient operation. This is categorized as reaction turbines where potential energy of water in the form of pressure is converted into mechanical energy. Francis turbine work in the range of water head that is between 45 to 400 meters and flow rate range in between 10 to 700 cubic meters per second. Inlet water flowing around the Francis turbine is covered by circular tubes around the turbine and water leaves the turbine in axial direction. The last turbine that we see on slide is Kaplan turbine. Kaplan turbine is similar to Francis turbine in terms of water inlet and water outlet arrangements. Kaplan turbine work in the range of water head that is between 10 to 700 meters and flow rate in the range of 4 to 55 cubic meters per second. Kaplan turbine has facility of changing pitch to adjust flow rate inside the turbine. This is also in the category of reaction turbines.